Welcome to Hidden Routes. Today, we're journeying to the edge of the world to explore the breathtaking landscapes of Aotearoa, New Zealand. We begin in Rotorua, the geothermal heart of the North Island. Here, the Earth literally breathes, with explosive geysers and mineral pools painted in impossible neon hues. Descending beneath the surface, we find the Waitomo Caves. It's a silent, subterranean galaxy where thousands of tiny bioluminescent creatures light your path like stars in the dark. Back in the light, Lake Tekapo stuns with its milky turquoise waters, framed by the southern Alps and the lonely, beautiful Church of the Good Shepherd. Rising above it all is Aoraki, Mount Cook. New Zealand's tallest peak is a kingdom of ice and rock, where ancient glaciers meet alpine meadows in a display of raw natural power. Finally, we reach Milford Sound. Rudyard Kipling called it the eighth wonder of the world. With its towering cliffs and thundering waterfalls, it is the ultimate hidden route. Which of these routes will you take? Subscribe to Hidden Routes for more world-class wonders.